Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to share YouTube link on Instagram story. To share the YouTube link on your Instagram story, first, you need to copy the link of the video that you would like to share. Once you do it, open the Instagram app. Then, tap on the Your Story icon in the top left corner of your screen, or swipe right. Once the camera window opens, you can take a photo, or record a video, or upload it from your gallery. Now, click on the AA icon at the top of your screen. After that, paste the copied link, and tap on Done. Now you can edit your story post, if you want, or you can just click on Next and share it on your story. You can also share it with your friends as a message, or you can just click on Done. That's it, and you will successfully share the YouTube link on your Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to share the YouTube link on your Instagram story. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.